In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Auto Infinite Slider Clickfunnel. We're going to walk through how to set up a simple, smooth, auto-scrolling slider on your ClickFunnels page, using the built-in carousel-style elements. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional-looking slider that loops through your content automatically, whether that's products, blog posts, or collections. First, open your page editor. Inside your ClickFunnels account, navigate to the funnel that contains the page you want to work on. From the list of steps in your funnel, click on the specific page where you want the slider to appear. Then click to edit the page. This will open the page editor where you can visually see and customize your layout. Next, add a section and a row where you want the slider to live. Hover over the area of the page where you'd like the slider to appear and click Add Section. Choose the type of section that best fits your layout, like full width or a smaller area, depending on your design. Once the section is in place, click Add Row. Here, select the number of columns you need. For most sliders, a single column works well, but you can also place the slider next to text or other elements by choosing a multi-column row. Now it's time to insert a carousel-style element. Inside your new row, click the orange Add Element button. A panel will open showing all the elements you can add. Look under the collections or checkout categories. These areas usually contain the elements that behave like sliders or carousels. Choose an element that matches what you want to showcase. For example, you might pick a product carousel if you're highlighting products, a blog posts collection if you want to rotate through your latest articles, or a products collection if you're showing a broader list of items. Once the element is added to your page, customize it to behave like an auto-infinite slider. Open the settings for that element. From here, adjust how many items are displayed at once so the slider looks balanced on desktop and mobile. Then, look for animation or autoplay settings and turn on automatic sliding, making sure it loops continuously so it feels infinite. You can also fine-tune navigation controls, deciding if you want arrows, dots, or minimal controls to keep it clean. Finally, tweak the styling and appearance to match your brand, adjusting fonts, colors, spacing, and background, so the slider blends seamlessly into the rest of your funnel.